Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a garden in Lego Fortnite. Now, firstly you will need two things. First is a shovel to dig some soil and get some soil. And then you need fertilizer that you can get from any random animal that you can find over here. So just simply pet them and they will give you some random fertilizers, as you can see right over here. So these are the fertilizers. So just simply collect them. And after that, you will be needing a grain mill. So just simply place this. Now, you can use this machine over here, or you can use this over here to create plants from seed. So all you have to do is just simply open, and inside them you will find a lot of crops that you can plant. So just simply take which one you want. And now when you will have a seed, just simply go to portion and then just simply scroll down and add your garden plot. So as you can see, it requires fertilizer and soil. That's the reason you have to collect them. Now just simply plant them right over here. And all you have to do is just simply plant your seed. So just simply plant whatever you want to plant. Then just simply click on deposit. Then add the amount. And now the seed will be planted. Do this for other ones as well. As you can see right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.